Good morning, welcome to Vlogmas day 3. Yeah, it's day 3. Wow, look at me. I have not even edited day 2 because my computer is so freaking stupid. Look at her making all this noise for what? So I've been trying some remedies because I keep running out of space on my, it says I'm out of space on my Mac disk or whatever the heck that means. So I've been looking at YouTube videos and stuff, trying to figure out what to do. So I'm trying this one thing right now. I deleted so much stuff off this laptop because I don't use much, but I don't use it for school. I don't use it but for school and to edit videos. So I just deleted all the other stuff that I'm not using. And then it said after you do that, like delete the files off the iMovie and stuff to update it. So that's what I'm doing. She's having a fit over there, making all that noise. So yeah, I'm about to go on to TJ Maxx. I'm on a time crunch, okay? It is like 9 o'clock right now. I have to leave for work at 2. So in the span of that time, I have to go to TJ Maxx, go to Walgreens, come back, put my wig on, pack, and go to work. I could pack when I get home, but I need to come home and go to bed. So I mean, if I don't finish packing, which I really want to because I don't want to be taking my suitcase and putting it in the car at 4 a.m. So yeah, we're gonna try to get all of that done before I leave for work at 2:15. It's 9:41 right now. I'm about to like slide this wig on my head and put my hat on. I'm already dressed. Bam. Sorry, I look crazy. This is real. This is me. Let me stop. Okay. Let's put this wig on. It's not gonna be perfect. And I'll put my hat on. Ouch. Okay. See, it don't even look bad. And I didn't even have to do nothing. Let me just brush it out a little bit. So, you see? Listen. We fix up really quick and really nice. So, oh, let me see what the weather is like today because that'll determine what jacket I wear. I have to hurry up. Like, if I get back by at least by 12, I'll be good to like pack and put my wig on. Honestly. Like, and it's 9 o'clock right now. I don't think I'm gonna be in TJ Maxx that long. And Walgreens, I already know what I'm getting, so I'm not gonna be in these stores that long. Trust and believe. Okay. Okay. I need some socks. You know what? I'm on my mama Uggs. Oh, and here is my finished wig. I don't know if I showed y'all last night, but I just hot combed the edges a bit. I think I'm gonna do a side part, but I just hot combed it so it'll be flatter. So far, I'm not liking the way this frontal is acting compared to the rest of the hair. The rest of the hair is beautiful, but the frontal, it kind of looks raggedy. But we'll see once I fix it up. Excuse my room. I should not have shown that. It looks a freaking mess. My laptop's almost done updating. By the time I get back, maybe it'll let me edit day 2 so I can have it up today, because today is when it's supposed to be up. I feel like I'll be back pretty fast, so I will. Yeah, let's go on to TJ Maxx. Okay, we just made it in TJ Maxx. I'm looking for some suitcases, a big suitcase. Oh, I love this. That's nice. It is, yeah, it's a king size. Okay, let me see if I can find me a big suitcase, because This is cute. This is a pretty color. Huh? Mama, you can have self-discipline and not spend money. Huh? How much is this? 14. Ooh, let me come around here because you in the way, ma'am. Huh? This is cute. This is like vacation-y, right? This is the cutest one up in here. You don't like it?
I mean, if you like it, I ain't got a care. What is down the front, Jessica Simpson?
Yeah. It has like palm trees and stuff on it. You don't like it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Which one you like better than?
What's your name? You ain't get picked that one.
Ain't nothing else. And I need one. Huh?
Get that one. How much is that?
49.
That's cool. It's different. It's name brand.
I don't think it's, maybe because I work at the airport, I don't think it's different.
Oh, well, I don't know. I think it's different.
Yeah, I guess you don't know. You like this one or something? Huh?
I don't like it.
I don't either. I'm glad you didn't say you did. Yeah, I don't see any others that I like. So we're gonna get this one. This Jessica Simpson one. Cause we're kind of on a, I'm not really on a crunch, but there's nothing else. Like the rest of these are not cute. Like look at that. Huh? Yeah, I am. I like this one. It looks vacation. And I can always buy another one later. You know. I like this.
Get that to your granny.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, you talking about later?
Yeah.
I would if I got another one, or I could just keep this. This can be my vacation suitcase. Is there anywhere else to buy suitcases? I like that big furry comforter. Why didn't you get that?
Because it ain't gonna go in my room.
Oh yeah. Oh, I wish I had one. I mean, I wish there was one in my size, but I'm not buying that right now. Yeah, I would get it for me. You know, I need a neck pillow. I need a neck pillow because I'll be nodding on the plane. What?
This one is nice too.
Really? Ooh, I like that.
$59.
So, I guess I'm just gonna get this one. Where you at in there?
I'm talking about the material.
Okay, well I'm coming in now. Alright. So, just left TJ Maxx. There's my suitcase back there. Sorry, the lighting is off. I just left Walgreens. I'm gonna just show y'all a couple things I got. I got some more toothpaste. I got a toothbrush holder. I need some more bio oil, so I just got a little one of some bio oil. I got some makeup wipes. And I need some lotion, but I feel like if I packed like loose lotion, it would like be all over my clothes. So I just got this this one, this cocoa butter one. Cause I mean it's a solid, so it's gonna be easier to like pack. So the 10 is 10. I mean, am I stupid? The time is 10:43 right now. I'm actually not making horrible time, cause I don't have to like leave out of my house for work until 2:15. So I'm doing pretty good, I think. So yeah, let me just go ahead and is this my mask? Which mask is mine? I'm so confused. I think this one's mine. I don't know. So TJ Maxx and Hobby Lobby is right beside each other, so I just left my mom, went to Walgreens to get this stuff so we wouldn't have to drive back down there. And my mom walked over to Hobby Lobby, so that's where I'm about to go in now. So yeah, let's go. Okay, you can take that back up there. Okay. Hello, ma'am.
You like Tennessee?
Tennessee Vols.
You like the orange and white?
I guess I'll see y'all when I get home. And I do my hair and start packing stuff. So yeah. Okay. Excuse the way I look, but I just need to rant. First of all, technology hates me. Okay. So, let me set y'all up. So, earlier today, I'm trying to edit Vlogmas Day 2, right? And my iMovie keeps saying, oh, disk space full or whatever, clear disk space in the location, blah blah blah. So do all that, update my computer. It's good now, right? Everything is like working normally. Tell me why I put my memory card for my camera in my computer. Day 2 is like vanished. It's gone. There is no day 2. Like, day 2 is pretty boring anyway, but that's annoying because now I have to like skip day 2 and go straight to day 3. Like, there's gonna be no vlog today. That is so annoying. That's so annoying. But I mean, now I see why people say YouTube is hard, because things like that, like I've been working on that all morning. So I mean, I guess that's just one less thing that I have to worry about. I can just pack and do my hair and then continue filming day 3. But over it. I'm over it. Okay, I could upload this as day 2, but I already said this was day 3. I already started early so I could like have it a day before, so I'm not gonna mess up now. So yeah, that's how my morning is going. Right now it's currently 11:25. I'm getting ready to lay my wig down or whatever, and I'm gonna pack while, you know, my wig cap is drying and stuff. So I haven't put any got to be on my wig cap yet or any makeup, but yeah. So I'm just sitting here with my laptop because I'm angry at it, but it's okay. Like, I'm gonna just close this and we're not gonna worry about that no more. Like, I can't do it. And then like, I guess I should just bring my laptop to work so I can edit day 3 while I'm at work, if possible. That would be the best thing, right? Work is like ruining my vibe, okay? If I didn't have to go to work, I wouldn't have to be like struggling to do all this right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna put my wig on, pack, and hopefully tomorrow is a lot less stressful once I actually get to the airport and, you know, get through security, get checked in, everything's good and squared away. Then I feel like I'll feel better. So yeah, stressful. Ugh, so stressful. My eyelashes look so good. She snapped, period. Oh, by the way, if you're in the Nashville area and you want to know, like, you want your lashes like this, I'll put her Instagram. Why are there birds outside my window? Anyway, I'll put her Instagram down in the description. Her name is Fairy Lash Mother 615. I'm pretty sure that's her name. Fairy Lash Mother 615. Yep, I'll put her in the description. But yeah, she's fire, okay? But I guess I'll check in with y'all later. I need to like get focused on doing what I need to be doing. So yeah. Hello, the time is 12 a.m. It's midnight. I have to be up like at 4. Yeah, I have to be up like at 4 to go to my flight. So yeah, I'm all packed up. Just about done. I just know this bag is heavy. Like, look at it. It's like my whole life is in here. And I have a carry-on, but I don't know what to bring in there. So it's basically empty. I just took a shower. I just got off work. I'm gonna do my baby hairs in the morning. Finish packing up like my toothbrush and the stuff that I'm gonna have to use in the morning. And then, yeah, I guess that's it for day 3. Sorry there was no day 2. My computer and my SD card went haywire. But you know, things happen. Technology fails us. I'm about to go to bed because I need some rest. Okay, I'm not even that sleepy, which I hate. But good night and see y'all on day 4. Yeah, day 4.